How to make the greatest comeback of your life. Maybe 6 months ago, you promised yourself that this year would be different. You told yourself you would build a better body, earn more money, and completely change your life. But here you are, still scrolling, still procrastinating, still making promises that tomorrow you will break again. And now, a dangerous thought has started growing inside your mind. Maybe this is who I am. Maybe this is my limit. Maybe my life will never change. Today, I am going to destroy that belief, because your comeback is not over. It has not even started yet. In this video, I will share 6 powerful points that can help you make a real comeback if you are ready to take action. Number 1. One good month can change everything. Most people think success takes years, but they forget that one focused month can completely change the direction of their life. Imagine waking up every day for the next 30 days with one mission. No excuses, no procrastination, no wasting hours on social media. Just showing up and doing the work, even when you do not feel like it. In just 1 month, your body can become stronger. Your mind can become sharper. Your confidence can grow. And most importantly, you will finally trust yourself again. Because every promise you keep to yourself tells your brain, I am someone who finishes what I start. Your comeback does not begin with a perfect year. It begins with one good month. Focus on winning the next 30 days, and you might be surprised how different your life looks afterward. Number 2. Stop identifying yourself with your past. One of the biggest reasons people never make a comeback is because they keep introducing themselves with their past. I always fail. I am lazy. I can never stay consistent. The more you repeat these sentences, the more your brain starts believing them. But your past is not your identity. It is just a chapter of your story. Every successful person has made mistakes, failed, and started over. The only difference is that they stopped letting yesterday decide who they would become tomorrow. From today, stop saying this is who I am. Start saying this is who I used to be. Because the moment you change your identity, your actions begin to change. And when your actions change, your life follows. Your comeback starts the day you stop living as the person you were and start becoming the person you want to be. Number 3. Kill the escape routes. Every time life gets hard, your brain looks for an escape. I will start tomorrow. Just 1 more hour on social media. I do not feel motivated today. These are not reasons. They are escape routes. And as long as those escape routes exist, your comeback will never happen. Delete the apps that waste your time. Stop keeping distractions one tap away. Make it harder to quit than to keep going. Because when there is no easy way to escape, you are left with only one option: to do the work. Remember, discipline is not built by waiting for motivation. It is built by removing the things that constantly pull you away from your goals. If you truly want to come back, do not just create better habits. Destroy the habits that keep giving you an excuse to stay the same. Number 4. Start small. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to change everything overnight. They create the perfect routine. Wake up at 5 a.m., work out every day, read for an hour, meditate, eat perfectly, and after 3 days, they quit. Why? Because they tried to become a different person in a single day. Instead, start small. Do just 1 workout. Read just 5 pages. Study for just 20 minutes. Take 1 small step every single day. Small actions may look insignificant, but repeated consistently, they create massive results. Remember, your comeback will not be built by one huge decision. It will be built by hundreds of small decisions you make every single day. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start small. Stay consistent. Let time do the rest. Number 5. Protect your environment. Your environment shapes you more than your motivation ever will. If you spend every day around negativity, distractions, and people with no ambition, staying disciplined becomes much harder. Take a look at your surroundings. Who are you spending time with? What are you watching every day? What kind of content fills your mind? If you want a powerful comeback, build an environment that pushes you forward, not one that pulls you back. Follow people who inspire you. Keep your workspace clean. Remove distractions. Spend more time with people who challenge you to grow. Remember, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your environment. So, if you want to change your life, do not only change yourself, change the environment that shapes you every single day. Number 6. Build an unbreakable routine. Your comeback will not be built by motivation. It will be built by your routine. If you want a better body, you need a workout routine. If you want to earn more money, you need a work routine. If you want a better life, you need daily habits that move you forward. Wake up at the same time. Exercise regularly. Learn a high-income skill. Work on your goals every single day. Save and invest your money wisely. Repeat this process again and again. Remember, success is not built in one day. Money is not earned in one lucky moment. Both are the result of small actions repeated consistently. Build a routine that makes your body stronger, your mind sharper, and your income higher. That is how a real comeback is built. Before I end this video, I want to tell you one last thing. Set small goals. Write down your daily routine and start taking your life seriously. Right now, you'll have a choice. You can work hard today and build the life you dream of, or keep wasting your time and one day be forced to live a life you never wanted. Today's hard work is temporary, but tomorrow's regret can stay with you for years. It starts today.